I have scissors. That's right, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Pash. Welcome back, and today I have a fun little double unboxing for you. We have a new accessory that I was heavily influenced by, and then we have a new to me handbag from Fashionphile. Let's get into it. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, we have a fun little double unboxing. Keep it light from my last video of all the drama. This first item I have seen lots of pictures on, and then I actually saw dupes of this, and I really was heavily influenced. I saw this style, I just thought this would look so cool, and I'm hoping it'll make me even look cool. So let's see. Right here, so this is an accessory, and I don't normally buy a lot of accessories. This is so bad. Okay, here we go guys. Something from Celine. Let's see. This is how it comes. Like, this is actually kind of cool. So these are a pair of Celine sunglasses, but they come in like a pouch, and I guess this is like a bag. So like it's a twofer kind of. Maybe that's why they're so pricey. Look at that. Oh, I kind of love this. I kind of love that this comes in it with its own little mini bag. So kind of justifies the price of these. These are sunglasses, and they are around $500. So let's try them. Here they are. I don't normally buy, I haven't bought designer sunglasses in a really long time. Okay, I'm afraid, like, how do I open these? Okay, let's get scissors. I want you to get, they don't want you to get into these. We can do this. I can't get into these. I don't want to scratch the frames. Oh my God. I gotta put the SpongeBob like 20 million hours later. Okay, these are the Celine glasses. Forget the exact name of them. I'm not cool enough to know the names of these, but okay, they fit really well. They're nice and tight. Oh yeah, that looks great. Everything's in high definition. Great eye protection, right? But like, how does this look? We need a mirror. I actually think I look coolish. Trying them out. I do kind of love that they're in this. Let's see. Like, you could now I have a bag too. But I kind of love that it comes in like a little pouch. That's kind of cute. What do you think, guys? Worth $500? I mean, until I drop these, like, I'm gonna be like so sad, but these look absolutely amazing. What's really nice is like the inside of these is like a blue. I don't know if you can see that. It has like a blue tint, and this has a green, and like when you're wearing them, everything is very nice. I mean, it's just like, I usually wear Ray-Bans. That's what I wear all the time, but they fit really well to the face. Like, they are nice and snug, comfortable, lightweight, but they feel like really good quality. And you have the Trump, I believe is how you say it, on the side here, and I just think these are like a fashion moment. I think these like are universal, these kind of oval type sunglasses. But like, what do you think? I'm like so much cooler now, right? So much cooler. Oh yeah, just like yummy with my Celines. Oh, I'm inside now, I guess. And put these away in my fancy Celine pouch. Bada boom. Ooh, and it also has a little dust bag and the cloth with it. To the bag. I got something from Fashionphile. This is something to replace a bag that I had sold that just wasn't working out for me. And I saw this in particular color on Fashionphile. They were doing one of their sales. I forget which one it was, but they do sales with extra 10% off items that are on sale. Okay guys, we are in. Okay, there's the sticker and the file. So I don't know if it comes with its own dust bag. We shall see. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait until you see this color. So this is the Bottega Veneta Teen Jody pouch. So this is like the bigger version of the cute little Jody pouch, which I had in red. Absolutely loved it. It was so super cute. However, it wasn't something that I'd wear all the time. Plus with the red color and it not being something I could wear on the shoulder and stuff, I just wasn't wearing it. And I decided that I should probably go with something. I've really been liking larger bags. I love hobos. I've been wearing those all the time. The hobo style bag and backpacks are like my thing, especially this time of year. And I saw this color. It's so pretty. Give you a close-up of this beauty. Forget the name of this color, but it is a dream. And I wish I could have you like feel the leather. It is super soft and buttery. Check the inside. Bubble wrap. Oh, and it does come with its own dust bag. Oh, and then you have the leather on the inside. I don't think there's any zipper. Nope, no zipper. Just like the other one, just kind of like an open pit here. But this one should fit as a shoulder bag. Oh, and it does. Okay, let's try it on. So here is the bag. Super cute. And I love this color. Like, I love bright purple colors. Fits very comfortably. Here it is here. And I got this bag for just, with the sale and everything, it was right just under $1,700, but I think it was 17 with like the tax and everything. But it was on sale for, I believe, close to 19, just under 2,000, and then I got the extra 10% off. Gorgeous. So yeah, guys, this is my first time buying it with Fashionphile in a while. It was a great experience. Like, I think everything looks great with this bag. I've had a couple times with Fashionphile where the bag wasn't described properly, but this was packaged well. It came really fast. Great experience. Fashionphile does tend to be more on the expensive side. However, I have noticed they've been trying to do more 10% off sales. And so that's something I really appreciate, because it's like, where do we buy now? Because of rebag being terrible and prices on luxury stuff is going up. But I've kind of noticed that apparently, like, lots of videos are coming out that the luxury community is kind of struggling a little bit to sell some of their items. I know I haven't been buying as much. Have you been buying that much? I mean, I really have been selling, and then I will buy something after I sell something, but I haven't really been purchasing like I used to in the past. And it's not necessarily the prices. I mean, prices has something to do with it too. It's like, I want to retire early and I'm saving. I want to buy a beach house. Like, you know, I have goals that I want to accomplish, and these prices are outrageous. But also, it's the fact that some of the new stuff coming out, I'm not really inspired by. And if I'm not inspired by it, then why would I buy it? You know, if I'm not inspired by it, why would I buy it? But yes, this is one I absolutely love in the purple. I'm glad I got this. I am definitely buying things that I love and try not to be as influenced, but I was influenced by those Celine sunglasses. Like, so far, I definitely recommend them. They're amazing. And it comes with a pouch that you could actually use as a bag too. So should that justify the price? I mean, girl math, handbag math, you know, it seems like a twofer for me. Okay, guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think of these beauties and what you are buying for this spring, summer. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.